Sa ibang balita, tumaas ng 30 pwesto ang ranking ng Pilipinas pagdating sa ease of doing business. Ayon sa report ng International Finance Corporation, ito'y bunsod ng maayos na pamamahala sa ilalim ng Administrasyong Aquino. Si George Bandola sa detalye.
Malaki ang naiambag na maayos na pamamahala ng Administrasyong Aquino para maiangat ang ranking ng Pilipinas sa World Doing Business Ranking. Mula sa 138 rank noong 2012, nasa 108 na ang Pilipinas mula sa 189 countries sa 2013 report ng International Finance Corporation. Sabi ng National Competitiveness Council, sisikapin nilang iangat pa sa top 35 ang ranggo ng Pilipinas bago matapos ang administrasyon sa 2016.
Well, let's assume the others are moving. I think what I'd like to see is an improvement of 25 to 35 this year. Okay, in 2014, and our target has always been 30 per year. 2013, 14, 15. So that will really take us up to the top 1/3.
Naging positibo daw para sa mga lalo na sa nakaraang World Economic Forum ang paghahabol ng pamahalaan ng mga ninakaw na pera ng bayan, pagbubunyag nito sa publiko at paghahain ng nararapat na kaso.
We're moving in the right direction. We're discovering, we're disclosing, we're investigating, and soon we hope there will be a filing of cases. I think that means the country is quite serious about cleaning up corruption.
But more importantly is, what is the country doing about that? Because every country has that problem of corruption. Now, how do you address it? Do you make it into a law so that it's no longer illegal like the lobbyists in the US? Or do you go to court, which is what we're doing here, and trying to catch them and file cases against them.
Para mapadali ang pagtatayo ng negosyo sa Pilipinas, layunin ng NCC na himukin pa ang ibang mga ahensya na pabilisin ang proseso ng pagre-rehistro at pagbabayad sa PhilHealth, pag-ibig, construction permits, court proceedings at mga local government units.
We're not fault finders. We're getting people together who are problem solvers.
Correct.
So if something's not working, we sit down and look for a solution.
The Filipinos to benefit from all these improvements that we're making, particularly because we want to help provide an environment wherein jobs are created, investments are encouraged, livelihood opportunities are developed, and then you therefore can address poverty alleviation.
Ngayong taon, layunin ng NCC na pabilisin ang mga proseso sa pamagitan ng mga dialogue sa mga concerned agencies mula sa DTI, Meralco, LGUs, LRA, DOJ, financial institutions at Bureau of Customs. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.